My name is John Paul and I welcome you to my channel. This video is for my subscribers who are into forex trading. I want to give you the key levels from my chart for the week ahead. Of course, we start with Euro USD. Now, Euro USD, we are on the daily time frame, daily candle. This is support is at 1.1270 as the major support. Resistance comes in at 1.1400. Now at the end of last week trading session, we had a new support at 1.1334. So the range for this week, this new trading week, beginning July 1st to July 5th, 2019, is this. The resistance is 1.1400. The support is at 1.1334. Or we can adjust the support to move this a little to 35. Yeah, 1.1335. So this is support, initial support. Is the resistance. Price close at 1.1369. So the market is currently in between the resistance and support. So for you, the traders, all you have to do is simple. You have to wait to see what happens at this support or at the resistance. Now if price breaks resistance, breaking resistance, price needs to close above. Price needs to close above the resistance. If price breaks resistance 1.14, then you expect market to buy, provided the market closes above 1.1400. Now if market closes below 1.1335, we expect market to roll down here 1.1270. Now based on this engulfing candle, I've been on the sell, but whether the sell will continue this week, I do not know. But I started selling the euro last week at 1.1400, and my take profit is at 1.1300. So I'm seeing the market. But for you, I will suggest you stay on the sideline. Do not do anything yet, except you have a very good setup telling you what to do. So I'm to check on the 4-hour candle. You can see that the market favors the buyers, because that's the last action. The buyers were in charge before the market closed. But that notwithstanding, I remain on the sell for now. I'm hoping that price gets here to 1.1335, breaks it, and price will target 1.1270. But before then, I will be out of the market. Should price decides to go up close above 1.1400, I will analyze the market, and if there's any bearish signal, I will sell or continue with the buy. So these are the key levels for this new trading week, July 1st to 5th, 2019, for the Euro USD. Initial support is at 1.1335. Resistance comes in at 1.1440. So I will go to the next and talk about GBPUSD. For the GBPUSD, this one is pretty much easy. The week ended on the buy note. For me, the market is still ranging. Here's its resistance, 1.2762. Here's the major support at 1.2500. And to go to the weekly time frame, everything becomes easier. Well, the market ended on the weekly time frame the selling note after the initial buy. It's not easy to predict what will happen in the market this week, but these are the key levels here: 1.2762 and 1.2500. Now, should market decides to break this resistance, the market should be headed towards 1.300 mark. But should the sell continues, there will be pressure. Expect some buyers to be at this 1.2500 to take the market over. When the market crashes through this, the market will definitely sell. But for now, the market is ranging. So all I'm keeping an eye on is this 1.2762. For me, it becomes very crucial this week, because if I want to sell, I will look to sell at this point. And if I want to buy as well, I will look to buy at this point, because it's always better to buy at support and sell at resistance. So depending on what happens, I don't know what will happen, but I'm expecting market to test this resistance at 1.2762. And whatever happens from here, I'll be able to take it down. So, but for you, just know that these are the key supports for the week, the key positions for the week: 1.2500, 1.2762, and 1.3000. So that's for the GBPUSD. The next where I'll be looking at is GBPCAD. GBPCAD. I'll have to go to the monthly frame to show you something here. Now, for the GBPCAD, resistance for me the resistance is simple. I will go to the weekly time frame. The resistance is at 1.6750. Resistance at 1.6750. And the support is at 1.6600. This is the support line. Now, last week the market broke through 1.6600 and formed a new low at 1.6580. But the market bounced back and closed above 1.6600. This is a potential buy signal. So as it stands now, this is a good place to buy. It's a good place to buy the GBPCAD. And we expect the initial target to be 1.6750. But should sellers take charge and closes below is 1.6600, then the rest assured that the market will drop down to this level, 1.6360, which is 2017 should be which is a low year. So this candle here, but for now the market is on the sell. The GBPCAD has been sold throughout last month, sold in the month of June and May. So I expect some relief, some bounce up this week anyway, because a market that sells must bounce back. market hits support, it ought to go up. Buyers took over, but as it stands now, this is daily candle. As it stands now, I can zoom out. The buyers are in charge. This is 1.6750 area. So these are our targets. So this is the range for the week. Now, if price decides to break this place, I will expect price to go back down. But if you see the candle here, the candle for the week ended is the daily candle. On Monday, the market sold. On Tuesday, the market sold. On Wednesday, sold. On Thursday, it sold. But on Friday, there's a relief. The market started buying. So I expect this buy to continue, but I also know that sellers will try to drag price below the 1.66 line. So what do we do? I'm already on the buy. So I started buying at 1.6600. That was last week. I'm 16 pips up, and I intend to hold my position. The only way I will follow the sell is if the market closes below the low, the new low of 1.6580. And I know that the sellers are not in charge. But for now, I intend to hold my buy position. My initial take profit is 60-70 pips. But we have a range of almost 150 pips, because this is a resistance where sellers will start selling from. So these are the key levels. This is my analysis for Euro USD, GBPUSD and GBPCAD for this new trading week, July 1st to July 5th, 2019. If you have any question, kindly drop in the comment section. If you want to learn how to trade Forex, you can call me at any time or WhatsApp me between 6 a.m. and 10 p.m. Nigerian time. Kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I wish you good luck and happy trading. Finally, do not forget that Forex is a risky trade. Do not forget to invest what you can afford to lose, and do not invest what you cannot afford to lose. Thank you. Goodbye.